Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to install a head unit and also the reverse camera into 2004 through 2009 Prius. So that's the camera there. You have to pop this out and then you're able to put this in there very securely. Right? And then you could tighten this with the two screws there. And you have to put them through the grommet here, the wire. And then those are the two wires that come out, the yellow and the red. The yellow is the video wire. So this is video one. You're gonna have to all the way down and then to the front to the head unit. This black one is the power. So it has a power and a negative. The negative, it's this one. And you can just get the negative from this here. Okay, which this is the license plate lights. So you get the negative from there. The positive, so the red, that one, you're gonna go take it with the video one. And that one, you're gonna get it from here. So that way, when you put it in reverse, it gets the signal from the reverse light. So that one is the middle one. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's like the third one up here. And then the wire you're gonna go is the one that the Spider-Man one. It's the red and blue one. That's how I remembered it, Spider-Man. Okay. And then once you wire it through there, you're gonna lift this so you can wire it through there. And then you're gonna bring this down. There should be a clip in there. Take that clip out and then wire it through here. And then you're gonna bring it through here. So you just pop this little thing out. And then you pop this thing out and you put it under there. And then you just slide it under there. And you slide it under here. And then behind this. And then up through here. And then you just take out this little thing. Pop it through here. Here. And then this, I already have it all out. There's videos on how to take this out. I can show you guys, but there's a lot of videos out there. And then here we have it. So now we're on to the new head unit. So this is the wire here that goes into the head unit. This is the one. It's all by itself in the corner and it has two little leads coming up. So it's this one connects into here. And then this one is the orange one. This orange one connects into the pink wire that says back. That's part of the main wiring harness, this one. Okay. And that's about it for the reverse camera. So now let me show you the head unit. So the head unit, it has this harness here. And then it has that main power harness. And then these over here, they connect into your car's harness. And then this, I think, is for your amp. And for the antenna, you're not gonna use the one that comes with it. You're gonna use the factory one. This one. And then the GPS thing, there's this little thing you connect for GPS. And I think it has a little box that comes with this one. And it also comes with a canvas. This right here. So that you can control all your menus and stuff from the steering wheel. Oh yeah, one more thing. To get audio, if you're not getting audio, what you gotta do is this blue wire here, you have to splice into that. And the wire that you splice into it is, trying to find it here. Let me make sure it's the right one. Well, you can kind of see here. So the wire that comes from that harness, I spliced it with the wire that goes, it comes from this here. And then the other one, yeah, it's just that, and it comes from this wire. And after that, you should be good. And like I said, I could link a video to this too, how to remove. You just have to take out the vents, and that's it.